All right. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to The Price of Patience.
Drum roll, please.
Dum,
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How are we all doing?
Mhm.
How are we
Hope
all
everyone's
doing?
doing good out there. Today was a heck of a day in the market. We saw a nice pullback, and then we were just saying if you were in the market after 11 o'clock, all you had to do was go long, you know? So it was a little shaky at first, but then, it was one direction. So shout out to you.
One direction. One direction.
That's right. If you made some money today, put some money bags in the chat for us. We're excited.
Yeah.
Made some money. Um, the Red E did pretty good. Main's channel in the Red E today. The Red E members were cooking. I think the leader of the Red E, Mark Rogers, had 100 contracts on SPX
Only.
and took some gains.
Wow.
Just 100 contracts,
But
and not his usual 10,000 contracts. Just
just 100.
yeah, just 100. And he did okay. Did okay for someone with 100 contracts.
Yeah, I guess you need like a few percent more and you're already nice.
That's it. Yeah, I don't know. This thing's treating me like a stepchild. Am I able
Mm-hmm.
to actually switch anything? Here we go.
There we go. But you are showing our conversation on Discord, I believe.
Yeah, I've been trying to switch, been clicking ready for a while,
Okay,
and
okay.
it's lagging.
It's
We're
lagging.
getting a little bit of lag.
Okay, that's healthy.
Mm.
Good morning, Randall. Morning, sir.
Good morning. Yep. Hope that you made some money today, my guy. Good morning.
Yeah,
Um,
yesterday for him too, like for me.
yeah, yesterday for all of us. It's 12:13 now for me.
Yeah.
So boom. All right. Let's see if I can actually scroll up here. We can take a look at some of these wins here in the red E. Let's see. Okay. Looks like yep, Armando, I saw that. He made 12K on AMD calls today.
No, nice,
That is
nice.
crazy. That was the play of the week. Oh, he's doing play of the weeks now. Okay.
Okay. But
Biggest
no
gains.
buts, no buts. 12K, wonderful, like wonderful.
Crazy. Crazy.
And
Okay.
I had a brainstorming yesterday. No, actually 2 days ago. Um, yeah, that's all possible. That's all possible. Only question is, imagine if you have 100K account, that's 12% on a trade. That's easy. I mean, easy. Many times I had 12%, that was whatever. $12, I never took it because it's $12, but it's 12%. So account size matters too.
Agree, man. 100K account, 12% of that. A lot of people are, one man's trash is another man's treasure, so they say, right? So
Yeah.
those
Yeah.
little 12% that we just like discard like it's nothing, that could be
Mm-hmm.
someone's entire, that's a,
Mm-hmm.
that's how much people make in a quarter, you
Yep.
know?
Yep.
Like my business makes 12K on a bad month. So it's like that's our entire gross revenue. So making that
Yeah.
in a day, you're doing pretty good.
Pretty good. Yeah. Either way.
Man, so
um,
we had a 59% gainer that was $300 in profit. Shout out to Mark there. Mark did that. Mark's account went up 8% today. He had hit for 1200 today on SPX. Uh, oh, he also had a Tesla call for $1,700. Go, Mark. Killed it there. Um, Meta. Okay, we did have some losers. So, a lot of people don't talk about the losers, but we had a NVIDIA call or NVIDIA put that, got eaten alive. It lost 50% on NVIDIA put. and Meta actually balanced that out. He ended the day with $50
No,
profit
win
because
is a
of
win.
that. A
Much better than
win's
losing
a win,
50.
but he
Yeah,
stayed
exactly.
green thanks to Meta.
Better than losing 50.
Hey, I've been on both sides before, and I
Hmm.
would definitely agree with
Yeah.
you. All right, and then Money Marcus, what's Money Marcus got going on? Meta calls. Okay, Money Marcus made over that's $2,200 on Meta. Shout out to Money Marcus. Um, Mark was doing some shares. He did some SPX for some modest gains. That was when the market was chopping around. Did Nvidia. He trimmed some gains on Nvidia. Okay, okay. Yeah, I was finished pretty early. Actually am up here with 100 and I think it was 130% today.
Nice.
I mean, it's pretty sweet. Oh my goodness. This thing, I don't know if it could be any slower.
You have something in the background going on because that's usually what happens.
You would think so. You know what? Maybe that's this. I think you had mentioned it yesterday that I need to
Yeah. Yeah, feel
close some
free
things
if you
up.
need, you can switch to me and do whatever you need to do. If you
I
need
think
to.
I fixed it.
If you need to.
I took your advice left over from yesterday, and it worked. uh,
Perfect.
Leftover advice. So yeah, this was me today. I made about 400 bucks on QQQ calls. Got in right at the bottom and made 144% on QQQ calls. So I could have made
Wonderful.
more. I missed out on a hundred
Wonderful.
dollars. Ooh. But yeah, I made plenty of money on that. That was great. So that's gonna pay for a new funded account if I need to get one.
Let's go.
Yeah.
That's the way to do it.
So that's everything. It's everything means,
And
man.
yeah,
I'm still in this trade. I'm still green on this trade. Apparently, I was up another 10 points, but it looks like it's going well for me.
yeah, I think so. I think so. I'm just looking at 4 hours on Q, and I think we are about to continue higher, but we shall see. Randall says he never traded options.
Yeah,
Well, I think, I mean, you've been in the markets long enough, so you understand how everything moves. And I believe if you don't want to trade options, you can use them still for like swing trades or leaps, like longer term calls, long positions, right? Or if you're trading when you have your portfolio and you think it's gonna come down, then you can hedge nicely with options.
yeah, yeah. Options are a good like alternative to shares. If
Yeah,
you do the
yeah,
most people I know that are successful in options, they do leaps. Leaps are it's
yeah,
kind of hard to lose. You just wait
yeah,
for the market to go down enough, and you get a leap on something and forget about it, like you just bought shares. Then you're gonna make some money.
yeah. And I think I have to. I switched to that because I did good first, and then I lost all of my gains on options, and then I lost more um, because I was treating it as futures, like day trades. So for me personally now, options are like at least couple of months out.
Mhm. Yeah, I'm more of a day trader. I have no swings. And I've been doing a small account challenge for 2 months, and it's been shaky. I started an account with $140. Within 2 weeks, I'd grown that to
Mm.
$800. But
Yeah,
ever
I
since,
remember. Yeah.
and ever since that, I've just been like up and down and up and down and up and down.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah,
Consolidation.
I'm in consolidation. I am reaching, a fair value gap of my account value for a higher high soon to come. Hopefully tomorrow. Yeah, 'cause
Mm. That's good. You're still in. You're still up. That's
yeah.
perfect. That's perfect.
So the 600 I've closed out with today, that's my entire I actually bet my entire account on one trade today, which is
Oh wow.
great.
Okay. Okay.
But I would have closed it if it went negative 20%. But my entry
Right.
was actually so good today. There was no drawdown at all.
Mm.
No drawdown. So,
Yeah, Randall is a big player. He says he had a manager who traded covered calls for his account years ago.
oh,
Okay.
manager.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
That's right. Covered calls are a good thing to do too when you got shares. So sounds like you got a healthy long-term portfolio, and just making the most of that is never a bad idea. Wow, I cannot believe this trade just went red. That is
Hmm.
crazy. But let me look at a lower. Oh wow, it's coming from my stop loss. What are we doing? Should add another
But
position?
yesterday, I was checking yesterday
Order
afterwards. I did
filled.
not trade much. I did a couple of trades on my paper trade account that is doing actually wonderful. Um, I was thinking maybe, I think I might reach the goal soon and then maybe reset the account to 10K
Mhm.
and simulate real trading like it was a live account, because 100K account is not realistic right now.
Right.
So I'm for sure, even if I had 100K account, I wouldn't go with 200 contracts or 300 contracts and risk like 30K on the trade, right? So
Right.
I was thinking just practicing live trading
Hmm.
with the paper trade. But anyway, yesterday's price action, we had that 29,567.25 level that we wanted to
Here, I
go
switched
above.
to you so you can show it.
Oh yeah, okay, that's fine. Um, So basically now we are on 1 hour time frame, and we were around here when we started our stream, and we said if we get a close above this we might go higher. That's what happened. And then around New York, I believe, no, even no, during the London we had a pullback. We retested that level perfectly, like to the T, maybe a few ticks. Let me check. The low was 564. So 3 points lower, and from there on we just went straight up. So that was a nice level that we marked, in my opinion. And right now, if I zoom out, if I take a look at 4 hours, this looks to me like it's setting up for like some kind of a bull flag or consolidation before we continue higher. I would love to see that these RSIs come a little bit more together because they are spread apart. So this is still not the strongest move. Momentum wave is slowly curving. I would love to see that this white line is a little bit wider too, but it's 4 hour time frame, so many things can still happen. 6 hours, on the other hand, has still a bunch of room to go higher, in my opinion. RSIs
Stop
are
filled.
somewhat starting to curve to the downside on the 60 line, but they just crossed over to bullish. So mixed signals, I think consolidation, and then the next move will happen. If we go to 1 hour, this money flow looks good. We just entered the green or white in money flow. Previous candle, although it closed red, we printed a green dot with RSIs high up. So again, it just confirms my thesis that we are consolidating and getting ready for another move up. Of course, I might be wrong. NQ can do, as we know, whatever it wants. But this looks to me like it wants to go higher, at least to the previous week equilibrium that sits at 30,064. We had some highs here that we can take. We had a nice momentum, like a nice trigger wave on 30 minutes. We are right now at the 9 EMA and 14 SMA. They are a little bit twisted, so consolidation, right? If we zoom in a little bit more on 15 minutes, okay, 15 minutes is getting a little bit uglier, meaning we had higher highs. Money flow is making some kind of a lower lows, lower highs here. RSIs are very much spread apart, and it looks like it wants to maybe take some liquidity to the downside. But if we go back to 1 hour, that would mean no. Actually, no. 1 hour is also like EMAs are together, EMA and 14 SMA. But we have 4 hour 9 EMA sitting at 29,781. So we might go make a wick down there, and then bounce 29,926. This is 780, so what that would be 150 points down from here, and then continuation. Very possible. We'll see what will happen. Um, what does Randall say? Randall say put a limit buy way down at 29,774, but we'll trade in and out until that gets hit. 29,774. Yeah. Um, 774. Yeah, I can see that happen. I think I can.
Okay, he's looking for a sweep of the lows before.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have set up like that on the Dow that I'm waiting on.
Somebody say Los.
Lows.
Low.
Lows.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
How you doing? More. I mean, good night. Good evening.
Good
All
evening, sir.
those
All
things.
those things. As long as it is good.
Good.
Buenas
It's
tardes, no? Or
Not
that's
for me.
good afternoon.
Yes. Good afternoon.
it is, man. Yeah, no, we're. Oh, my trade went back green. So
Let's go.
yeah, it's almost 1 o'clock. And I think you
Uh-huh.
want to start looking for shorts around one. That seems to be the theme this week.
Yeah, we even have nice head and shoulders on 5 minute on the market cipher B that usually plays out too. Like we might see a push down. Um,
I'm gonna take gains up here pretty soon because I like profits.
you
Profits are
do,
great.
huh?
Profits are great. I'm gonna take them when I get them.
Weird guy. He likes profits.
Yeah, right. What's up with that?
What's up with that,
You're
huh?
supposed to take the trades when they're green, when they're red, not green.
I took shorts earlier, maybe about an hour and a half, and I got the downside that we had earlier. I'm up like
Order
330
filled.
bucks for my session, for this
Bro,
session.
Okay.
nice.
And
See?
that is just going into my phone real quick, checking it out, like it, won't take it, and then I'm out. Like I told you guys, that's how I've been doing it, slowly but surely.
Langsam aber sicher, yeah. That's the way to do.
Yeah,
That's
because
the way to go.
I start getting impatient, bro. Wow, and then I want to get in over and over when there's really no trade to go into.
Mm-hmm. Been there, done that.
Yes, I have done those things.
Been there, done that. You know
Places.
how do you call an Indian guy who knows everything? Been
Eh?
there, done that.
Been there, done that. I
Okay.
hadn't heard that one before. That's good.
Don't let K capitals hear that,
Yeah.
because oh man, that's funny.
Is it time to short? I don't know. Been there. So yeah. What else? I think I just said everything that I had. Oh yeah, one more thing on 4 hours. Um,
Order
while we
filled.
are still on my charts. Um, we had this pennant here, and we drew this trend line here that
Order
was
filled.
respected many times. And this week we actually had a fake out to the downside. We almost touched the value area of this whole move since like from April. Um, and if we adjust it to the current price action, we actually touched the value area high. Um, And we came straight back into the pennant. So yeah, another confluence for me to that we want to see higher price from here. This could have been a fake out. Now we could reach maybe even the highs, take this liquidity from the highs on a bigger time frame, right? Maybe next 2 weeks can be bullish, let's say it like that, and then we see from there. Other than that, I really don't have much more. Other than maybe immediate short term short. I think.
Yeah, I think I'm with you on that. I'm looking at shorts right now
Yeah,
and
Sam, I'm
Q.
ready to go in. I still haven't gone in, but I'm ready.
Do it.
I've switched to scalp mode. I'm
Do it.
doing
Let's go. I mean,
200 micros. I'll show you guys what I'm on. I'm doing 200 micros. I'm scalping 1 point. It's $300.
Peroski's going to 100 contracts. Let's go.
Just a little 200 contracts. Nothing crazy, you
Nothing
know.
crazy. Not 1,000.
What
In
account is
couple of
that?
years, that will be light. In couple of years, that will be light for us. Let's go. We're on a mission.
That's right. And just got to scalp a little something. So, it's like the old man strategy on steroids.
Right.
Mr. Yoshi strategy. I'm gonna call that Master Yoshi.
Master
Master
Yoshi.
Roshi. Okay, I know who that is.
Roshi Yoshi.
Oh, you said Yoshi or Roshi?
Well, I don't know. I meant like Dragon Ball,
Yeah, Master
the old,
is
the
Master. I know. I think it is Master Roshi. I think.
Roshi. Okay. Anyway, that one, the bald guy with the turtle back.
Yeah, not the green tongue licking
No,
character.
no, 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 no.
I already told you guys my son's name is Gohan, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
And your wife is what? Like, what is her
he
name?
is he is
Bulma, no?
Chibi. Oh yeah, Bulma is better, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Are you guys in shorts already, or you
Very
guys have an
nice.
entry?
I am. Yeah, I went in. I mean,
Mm,
no. Let's see if this will collapse here, or we're gonna make some kind of a flag still on 5 minutes.
I'm still not in. I'm waiting for.
I'm looking for a good place to hit the scalper. Hit the little scalper job.
Scalp.
Mm,
There's a good amount of support right here, so I'm ready for it to push it, and then
Let's see then. 5 is looking promising. 10, 15 is at the 14, but 14 SMA. But actually, this is not very, probably not very healthy 14 SMA because they are twisted as we already said. So a little bit of spaghetti type of thing, huh? Let's see.
spaghetti.
yeah, yeah. SMAs. Can you count on them right now?
I don't think so. I don't think so. I only think EMA that I would count in right now is 4 hour 9 EMA for now,
Yeah.
or lower time frames like 1 minute maybe. And we are actually rejected it nicely, both of the 9 and 14. And now let's see if we can collapse. And I'm actually looking what 918 to 812, more than 100 points. I think that's a little bit too opportune, like too
One thing also, we broke
much.
our turn line, so that's another confluence
To the
for me.
downside, or? Yeah, I see
Correct.
what. Yeah, I see
Yeah.
what you mean. Yes, he means something like this, like from the low to the high, something like that. And we broke it. Yeah, that is true.
All
That is
right.
true.
Get ready for another big scalpy scalp. I just need when price hits, I have a limit order in. If price hits 29,917.50, I'm expecting a quick little dip. Just a little dip for 1 point. Give me $400 real quick.
400.
100.
Yeah,
Oh,
I can
this
feel
is
it. Huh?
Come on, touch this 200 and then go back down. Oh, they didn't want to come get me, man.
there we go. I made a nice nice setup here. Let's see if it's gonna play out.
Bro, get ready. Come back. Come right back down right now. We're gonna flush right now.
Did you just add to your short or something, bro?
Who, me?
No, actually, I waited for the retest of this 200, and they didn't want to quite get me at 29.5. I mean 9.15, 9.16. So I had an aggressive entry like around 9.13, and then I'm ready for it to flush, bro. I'm ready for it. 5 contracts. Oh, 5 NQ contracts. Psych.
Wait, what? 5 NQ contracts.
Yeah, no, I'm messing with you, man.
Little 50 back.
5 MNQ real quick. We are bear flagging on the 1 minute, so
Yep. Yep.
and we're
We
below
are.
100 on a 1 minute, so and we broke that trend line, so
So.
right now, man. Come on, give it to us.
Give it to me. Yeah. Oh. Wait, Don, you are short too, or you have no position?
No position for me. If you guys are short, I can definitely switch to you because I'm just waiting on a scalpy scalp.
I see your mouse is hovering above the my buy market, so he's ready.
Ready. I'm ready. I'm waiting for it to hit my limit order though, because I think it's just gonna be instant gratification. If we can push to 17 real quick, then we'll just dip 1 point and it can continue up after that. But all I need is 1 point. All I need
Yeah,
is
but with 1 point, I mean, you get 1 point easy. Just where you enter for that 1 point.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Was this
Order filled.
very nice fake out for the downside?
Order filled.
Bam. I just made $400.
Nice. So wait, you went in with
200 MNQs.
yeah.
Sure.
But you went with the buy stop order, or you did a short scalp? What did you
Oh
do?
no, I had a short limit order right at
Oh,
resistance
bro,
because
that was insane.
yeah, while it was going up. See, when I do scalps for 1 point, I'm always looking for areas of resistance or support that I know we're gonna have a reaction off of when we touch it for the first time. And I just play that reaction. And it's like free money. Like right now, the 20s, I'm
Yep.
tempted. I'm tempted because look, it went straight from 20 to 18. That was $400 right there.
Yeah.
And I could play it long right now, and I'm pretty sure I'd get it. You know what? You talked me into it.
Order
Let's go
filled.
long.
No, NFA, bro, NFA.
200 contracts. Let's go. It's I've been in this trade much longer than I want to be already. I'm sweating bullets.
Yeah, careful. I mean,
Just bullets that I'm sweating right now.
I just added to my short.
Ah,
I just added to the short.
NFA.
Yes, 100 kept
Order filled.
injecting.
NFA. Oh, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
Man, my wife is calling me. This is not the time. What's going on?
not when Los is trading.
Ah, damn. I'll be right back. I'm just playing. I gotta answer.
Yeah, yeah, you gotta can't play when the wife's on the line.
Okay, I'm getting stopped out here.
We're gonna do the 5-to-1 setup on the 25K. Let's see. Yep, I hit my daily loss limit on that. So that account will be trying to save tomorrow.
What was
Tomorrow.
it? 25.
No, the 250K legacy
Uh-huh.
hit my daily
But you
loss
said
limit.
that you set up the limit, right?
Yeah, I set it up personally because
Yeah.
just in case a situation like today happens,
Mm-hmm.
gives me another day of clarity.
Yeah. Agreed.
It's so much easier to hit for 1 point in the New York session, though. New York session moves like so
Yeah.
fast.
Yep. Yep.
All right, so let's see here. Nazidaki,
Nazidaki.
what you got for me? See, am I gonna be able to? Okay, I'm looking for real trades. I gotta get out of scout mode. Real trades only. I'm gonna do one contract. Real trades, not a scout. We're looking for 160 ticks. Can I even survive? Guess I can. Okay, good. Okay. Let's go. Let's go short.
Yeah. I added, then it got stopped out. The ad that I did, I added again. I got stopped again on the ad, and now I added again. So it's time to go.
Yeah. It's not if you're short, it's when you're short.
Yep. I would think so uh, for the immediate short term. Yeah.
Yeah, we're just having trouble with this little consolidation support area. To the left, to the left.
Mm.
It's kind of doing like a little Cupid shuffle. Are you smoking, Jackson? I fucking do that. Oh. And it's choppy. I would love to trade this when it breaks out. Let's see if I'm here to witness that. Yeah, this account's on its last leg, so I would like to bring it back to life with a nice, healthy trade like I did last night. This thing was like 100 away from being blown. I got it up to 400, and then it didn't go so
Oh,
well.
there we go.
Is that an evening star? You guys might be cooking now.
I'm cooking right now. I'm in with 50.
Let's see.
I started the position with 15 contracts. Now I'm with 50. So we need to break this low. What is that? 908, 917. So that's 10 contracts. 20, 30 contracts from 17. Oh my god. I had 10, 20, 30. More than possible. More than doable. Let's go.
Now we have to, because of this candle structure, we have to come back to 29,914 before we can go down. So
What time frame? 5, 1, what?
just the five, just the five.
Okay, we have time to do that.
Yeah, it's not so bad. It's actually perfect. So when it does come to 29,914, I think I like shorts right there. Mhm. Oh, okay, 15. I can do 15.
My target is 29,888.
God damn, I'm back. I apologize, everybody. Oh man,
Yeah, Los, what are you thinking? How could you?
Yeah.
it's not me. It was my wife. She apologizes
Order
too. So
filled.
shit.
Oh, that's awesome, man. You're such a great husband. You apologize for your wife and you apologize to your wife.
Yeah, both.
Also, she could tell me how good her tacos were.
What's up? She save you some?
Mm,
Oh yeah, you ain't going. You might not be home in time for the tacos, but
I just got back.
oh snap! All right.
Yeah, bro, I just got back this week, so I won't be going out there again probably in the next 3 weeks, man. I'm hoping next time I go back, it's not. I don't have to fly out there. I'm just gonna quit my job. Okay, fuck it, dog.
Full port your trades, bro. That's all you got to do.
Full port on your job.
I might just go focus 100% into futures and leave stock. I mean, I'm already leaving options for a little bit. I haven't really been into options right now, honestly, because I don't have the time in the morning. I get real busy at work right now,
Order
and
filled.
yeah, so
Well, I appreciate you guys. Y'all just led me to a trade that
Yeah,
doubled my account.
nice. I just wanted to say your entry was perfect.
Yep,
nice. I'm
yep,
very sure because I'm still
yep.
in my earlier.
Yeah, I told you guys I had to come back there real quick, and I got right in right there. And I'm telling you, when you see these, this is like my little free game I'm giving everybody. When you see these little areas where there's three candles that open and close at the same level, price will be back there. It
Yep.
will come back there every single time. You know, it's maybe not sooner, maybe not later. It works on every time frame. In fact, that's how I hit that 140% options trade earlier. Is I waited for price to come to a three candle area, is what I call it. And I went long there, and that's exactly where the pullback stopped. And from there, it went straight the other way.
Straight down. But you already closed it, right?
Yeah, I already closed. I just needed to.
Nice. I just
Oh,
need like 10 more, 11 more points.
bro.
Let's go.
Here
Yeah,
comes a flushing.
I had to get
Flush,
it.
flush for the scalpy scalp. Let's go.
That's it.
What's your target?
888, 29,888.
And let's go to 860. Why not?
Yeah, right. Why not? That sounds good.
Halfway there. More than halfway there. I'm up already like 1,500. So it's.
Nice, bro.
Y'all are fancy. I had $18 left on this account. Now I'm at $33. So now
Let's go.
There we go.
I can survive a loss. But hopefully I'm only taking W's. Yeah, but if I was stopped out of that trade, that would have been the end of this eval. Thinking about buying a 5-pack, but
Yeah, I go with 5 packs usually. I think it makes more sense
5 contract, you
because
mean?
eventually, no,
five.
you take 5-pack contracts or 5-pack like Apex accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. No, I wasn't sure what you guys meant by 5
Yeah,
pack.
yeah.
All
No,
right.
because eventually you will buy 5 accounts, right?
Hopefully not, but yeah, I guess.
Hopefully not.
Said just 5. I'm buying 25.
Huh.
My friend told me about this other prop firm I need to get on. Um, I'm also gonna try upside only today too.
Okay.
Try that thing out one time. Let's go back.
For the one time.
It's
So
not for the one time.
is this little flush is gonna be slow or what?
It is slow. It's Asia session, bro. And
Uh,
we have 8 minutes until the 1 hour candle close. So
oh man, we better be out of that by that time. Okay, there we go.
there we go. Yeah, a little bit more, just a little bit more.
Hey, it's not even 1 o'clock yet. I think you're gonna get down where Randall said pretty soon. So
Mm-hmm.
Where's that?
774.
Ooh, I'll pass my eval by then. That'd be nice.
Yeah, I need 885, and I will be funded on the one account.
774, 874.
29774.
Oh damn, that's quite a way to go. Nice.
Oh, another 120 points. We already had like 40.
Bro, I'm gonna move my stop loss, okay? Don't talk me out of it right now, man. I'm up
and,
nicely.
and Q's gonna be like, "What'd you just put in your pocket?
What,
You just
what
put
did I
something
see
in
you
your
put in your
pocket?"
pocket? Pocket check. Come on.
Come
Wait
on.
more.
Come on.
Let's go.
How
That's
much are
it.
you up right now, Nicholas? 10 grand now? What?
2600.
Yeah, nice, bro. How many contracts do you have?
50.
Damn, I should have gone 52. I only got 5. The 5 that I started with, I never ran.
I started with 15, then I added 35. I got stopped on the 35. I added another 35, got stopped again, and then I added again. Now it's paying out. So I think I'm gonna start taking profits right here. That's close to
Probably
3K.
stop.
Let's go
Oh,
Boom!
3K.
There's your
Let's go.
888.
oh,
Nice. TP1 hit. TP1 hit. 400 more. 400 more. Let's go.
you, you can never go wrong with a break of a trend line after a
Yep.
15
Yep.
minutes.
Sorry, we did. Yeah, you are. It's your screen. Oh, no, that's fine. That's fine. 52.6. I need 400 more on this trade, but I'm not sure I'm gonna get it right here. So I still have 15 contracts left. Still have 15 contracts left. I will take 10 more. So I left 5 runners. I left 5 runners. Stop by 5. There we go. That we put in the profit. Where we at right now? Equity 52 250. Okay, so that's 750 more. We have 250 280 on the trade, so 500 more. If we find a nice ad, that will be very achievable. So let's see now.
That might speed up my computer. I'm running Docker right now. I gotta close that. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, I built an indicator for Tradeovate, and I still haven't figured out how to add it to the community of indicators. And I'm reading the documentation.
Okay,
Hasn't
so
done
you
it.
can actually publish it. You are not able only to use it for yourself, but you can publish it, right?
Yeah. All the above.
Hmm.
It's pretty good. It just draws out key levels for you. So
That's dope, bro.
the important ones, the important key levels. I could make it cool like the ready indicators that tell you, entry, take profit one, all that
But
good
you can do
stuff.
that for TradeAway too.
I wonder. I'm not sure. All right.
And this was a wonderful trade, I must say. Can we have another leg down? Just a small leg down to get that to the 80s because we bounced from 85. So I would wonder if we're gonna hit the 80. There we go. I added on the top of this
There is no
pull up on the 5 seconds. Now we are down. I need 200 more bucks. That would be lovely.
53.
607, 620, 630.
These 80
more.
confluence. Yeah, just watch out around when we get to the 80s. There's a lot of
770, 780. I'm out. I'm
Yeah.
out. Equity 53.17. There we go. That's how you fund an account in basically one trade.
Nice, bro.
Go, Nick.
This thing still got
Nick.
go down. 63 coming.
Let's go.
We
I'm
want to
up.
come
Basically, I'm done. If I wasn't a trade of it and 5 accounts were connected, that would be it. But okay.
Is that your account now?
That was my evaluation. Now it's going to be funded for Monday.
Is that for the Apex? You're still doing?
Yeah, I'm still with Apex.
So now you just have to pay for the activation.
Yeah. Okay. But today's Friday, so I have the whole weekend to do that.
Okay.
What will happen next? I'm probably gonna. I really want to scalp along so bad, but it's so risky.
I'm gonna scalp 20 pull-ups. Let's go. Push.
Let me zoom out real quick. Look at the 1 hour. Wow, the 1 hour is telling me we're gonna come down almost all the way to where. Who is that guy's name?
Randall.
Brandon.
Randall.
Okay, my bad. I got a 783 key level, and the hourly based off this candle here, break of this current line, and confluence with the 200 EMA. Actually, he said 770, right? I have the 200 sitting at 768 on the hourly.
I think we're gonna come to 761 before it's all said and done. Boom. That's a bar.
That's a buy, bro. Let's go. Let's go down there. Let's cook.
Bar. So yeah, just it's about to be 1 o'clock. So the fuckery coming. The fuckery's coming. Just watch out for the fuckery. Upside only. See, you got to join. You got to join the trading contest, Carlos.
Oh yeah. Is that the one where you trade free and you get some profits, or is not that one?
Oh yeah, all of them. Well, trading contests are all like that. You don't have to pay to be in the contest, but this is upside only, which I will be joining with my Google accounts.
Okay, upside only.
I think we're on Nick's screen, so y'all can't even see my screen, but I'm on my upside only right now, and I'm setting up my account. Are they discriminating against Americans?
Why?
I don't know. I'm trying to sign in with my Google and it says something went wrong.
Googly.
I'm like, is it because I'm American? It's because I'm a terrorist? Just because I'm terrorizing people? I can't have an account? It's crazy.
Trader, trade without possible downside. 3, no money down. Real cash payouts, your money never on the line. Oh, so this is the one you guys were talking about yesterday. The one you put.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to try this out, bro. Man, let's see.
No, there's no risk. Everyone trades better when there's no risk.
So you click the start trading free, or you signed up first?
I'm in the process of signing up as we speak.
Continue with Google. Continue with Apple. I'll do Google as well.
It's not trying to let me be great with the Googles. It can't
What?
fathom.
It let me sign up already with Google.
It's like shit. It just doesn't like me.
It's probably that. It's probably what you said right now.
Yeah, it's because I'm American. Because I'm trying to make terrorism great again.
And so let's see. Yep, I'm in there.
That's cool. I'm manually typing in my email like a peasant instead of convenient ways. Okay, all right.
Okay, I'm back. On the set close, it's all at the same area, yeah? All the levels you just said.
Whew.
Okay.
Oh, what the? That's retarded. Okay, there we go.
Yeah, this thing is trying to fall. Price has slipped and fallen.
Ooh, okay, only market overview. Well, you can trade stocks as well.
Oh, don't tell me that.
On upside only, yeah.
First thing it showed me as soon as I signed in or signed up is like Meta, Tesla, and
Yeah,
Nvidia.
Bitcoin.
Says predict, win, earn, big projection. Right. You get paid no risk. That's good. Wow, that's dope. That sounds too good to be true, man.
But I was thinking, so I Googled it and tried to see if it was a scam, if anyone tried to say it was some sort of scam, and I don't see anything good or anything bad. They're actually new. They just started doing this pretty recently, so
Let me chat GPT this, bro.
yeah.
At homegirl over here, what's up with this?
I've been spreading the word ever since I saw it on Instagram. That's how I found out about it.
Man, you're gonna make these people a lot of money, bro.
Yeah, they need to make me an affiliate.
They need to sponsor you.
Huh? Yeah, they need to sponsor our YouTube channel. I'm gonna reach out to them, tell them to sponsor our YouTube channel.
Yeah, tag them up. Oh, is there any way? Is there any way you could tag them on it? No, huh?
I don't
Can I
see
have?
any social media pages on their thing. They have a FAQ, a terms, a policy, but no social media quite yet. So we'll see. We shall see.
So
I'll
we
have
should
to-
use them. We should use them before they become a scam. Huh?
Exactly, yeah. While they're still doing payouts,
Uh,
because this is very similar to a I don't know if you guys were around. There was a couple prop firms that used to allow you to trade and get straight to funded for pretty reasonable prices. And they most of them go out of business because prop firms mostly make their money from evals, like not a lot of people know how to trade consistently. So they need the eval money. So I mean they still charge eval money, but they're giving everybody who has $100 a funded account. So yeah, the losses add up. They went out of business. Everybody got $100 to blow.
you'd be surprised.
Yeah, good point. Good point. Well, I'm pretty happy that I keep it coming in. Ball hundo. Think,
Tag
think.
says is seems to be real platform. That it's not an obvious scam website, but it's brand new. It said it launched on May 19th, 2026, so it's only been around for a few months.
I
Couple
figured
months.
the scam someone would have said so by now, right?
Yeah.
The
They
only
pretty
way it could be a scam is if you connect your bank account to withdraw the money and it takes money instead.
Yeah, no, yes.
That's why we have to read all the terms and terms of use, huh? And they put in like if you manage to get to a payout, they better connect their bank account. But instead of we paying you, we wanna pay us.
Yeah, it's pretty much what Donovan says. The important catch is that you are paper trading, not receiving an actual funded brokerage account. The company decides whether your signals contributed to one of its profitable trades, and the terms say payouts are ultimately determined at its discretion. They may also invalidate payouts or hold withdrawals under broad circumstances. So yeah, that's pretty much what you said yesterday, Donovan.
Yeah, but at the same time, if you just treat it like it's practice, it's just practice. But it's a place where you can
Yeah,
practice, where you can get paid to practice.
yeah, bro. That's real good. And it does specify here that you do not have to deposit any money. They offer an option of $1 to 500 participation deposit, which supposedly increases potential payouts, and it is held in treasury bills. Treasury bills. Oh, okay. So you
One,
have to deposit from one
yes,
to $500.
interesting.
But we don't need to deposit anything. We're good.
All right, I've logged in. Start my trading journey. All right,
You're hurting.
new portfolio.
Oh,
Carlos,
we have
what
that.
stocks are you putting in your portfolio, Los?
No, I just got back to the site because I was ChatGPT doing that ChatGPT thing, so I haven't clicked the start trading button yet. You
I'm
clicked
probably gonna wait till tomorrow.
Yeah, I think too because I have some stuff to do and
Or Monday.
Yeah.
I have
No, you have to still wait. Yeah, Friday will just come for you. Okay, but we are still going. Look at the 1 hour candle.
Oh yeah, we're going
I
down.
think this. Oh wow, I'm late.
the 1 hour. Yeah, for sure, bro. This is some. There it is. The already touched the A63. Yep, pretty close. This is some support here. So
I gotta see. Are we at my level I was looking at?
the 15 minutes still looks real good, bro.
Uh, mhm. Oh yeah, the 15 minute. That's where it's at. That's
Uh-huh.
where it's at. Ooh, yeah, we gotta come there, and we got it right here. Oh man, 764.
A little bouncier would be probably a good entry for shorts again, because we have
I'm trying
support.
to short the bottom right here.
What did you say earlier, Donovan? Whenever it comes to some support, can you say that again? This is
Oh
pretty
yeah,
much.
it's just you're gonna get a guaranteed bounce for at least a point or two, right? So,
Yeah, so
but guarantees are a funny thing to say. Let's go with highly probable,
right, yeah, that's what it's all
highly
about.
probable bounce. So I guess I'm starting off with 500 paper trading dollars on upside only. Ooh, you can do forex. I miss forex, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
You used to trade forex.
Me and forex, we got a lot of history together. Yeah, I love me some.
I agree with your analysis. I think we are going down. I'm looking at 30 minutes. Yeah, short at 886. Well, that was a nice entry. I'm trying to short the bottom here, but I think I will have to give it a little room to bounce first. Yep.
Uh-huh.
Like Los said, I think
Yep.
got a little consolidation over to the left side. I think the buyers might try and scalp something here.
Uh-huh.
Over
I
time.
So we hit that 863 I told you, and not quite actually. We were short a few points, but then the 200 EMA is at 850, like I told you guys earlier. So we might have some chop around this area for a while, and well, I mean, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the level I have, 783, all the way down there, or bounce up again. Based off everything else on the higher time frames, 1 hour, 15 minutes, I say we could come right back down there.
Yeah, for him, this is now again trying to reject the 880s, so I guess 820 next.
I guess we're gonna start bear flagging on the 5 minute.
That's realistic. Yeah, I was thinking we're gonna come to the 80s, and then that might be a good reentry.
Yeah,
I'd
we
love
did
to
that.
see like
Well,
85. I feel comfortable around 85, 87.
I have a limit order right there at 81.
No, it likes to dig into the 80s before we get a nice reject sometimes, and I'm playing it super safe because I only got 2 trades on this account before I don't have an account. So shit.
Oh, I'm in. Okay. A little light 2 contracts.
Okay, the outcome is income. Soon, soon. I'm happier around anywhere between 87 and 95 is really where I'm taking my conservative entry, and it may never get there. It may never get there. So, if you're
Okay.
in with me, you gotta pay the price of patience.
Mm. I've paid the price of patience a lot of time. Wait, have I, or am I wrong?
Nah, you've done it, man. You've done it. And it's so expensive, it pays dividends.
Definitely.
Let's go. Okay, it looks like it wants to push through, but it could easily reject these 80s hard and just. Ooh.
Okay. Let me draw my trend line real quick. And if we lose that, okay, you could get that 80, possibly that 90 for your entry. That'd be the top of the trend line.
Yeah, I know what you mean. We could retest the trend line that we broke, right? Boom.
No, I just drew my trend line. I went all the way down to a 1 minute time frame. I drew a little trend line from when we started coming down, and 90s would be kind of the top of this trend line here.
A lot of people taking profit right here because they're scared of these 80s as well they should be.
You know what I've been thinking yesterday since you had your 200 contracts trade,
Mm-hmm.
hit the TP and only six contracts was filled,
Yeah.
right? So I was thinking something like in a real market on a live account, those are buyers and sellers, right? So you put your whatever buy sell order to for a TP, and there was no enough buyers to fill all of your contracts. Fair enough, like simple. But since we are in a simulation accounts, who decides how many contracts there is or not? Like somebody else traded only 6 contracts there on the simulated account, not 200, or it's all just BS?
It's a good question.
Who is the market maker on a simulated account, right?
Who decides how many contracts?
Yeah,
I think it's COMEX, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. It's up to
that
them.
that's CME. But
CM. Yeah.
but anyway, but yeah, for the live markets for sure, but for the simulated accounts too.
Here we go. 92. I'm in.
Oh, I don't like this.
92. This is definitely where I wanted to get in. 95. I'm gonna have a tight stop. I don't like anything above 97. So above 97, no ifs, ands, or buts about it. I'm gone.
I gave my stop loss a little bit of room on my stop loss at 901, but it looks like it's gonna hit it pretty fast. There's 1 minute in our bottom.
If I'm right about this, we're not going above 97. We're gonna hit a hard reject any minute.
This is the top of the trend line. This is the trend, right at the trend line. One minute closed right there. But that was a lot of volume on that.
Out of volume, man. Here we go. Okay.
Don't
Okay.
forget, I'm gonna. Okay, so this.
Like that. I don't like that. What do we say? The average
Oh,
Q stop loss is 10 points. So y'all went ahead and stopped them out. Now I need you to drop below them 80s. I don't want to see you up in them. Stay away from them. Get up out of them 90s.
Hmm.
All right. I want to see you back in the 80s, the 70s. That's right.
yeah.
The
I like
green.
the way you talk to Dan. But
Hmm.
Yeah.
Keep talking. Talk to me.
Right. Get down there.
Just talk to him.
Perfect entry, bro. Thank you.
Yep. Yep.
damn.
We ain't never touched 97. I'll be careful. If we go back up there again, I'm moving my shit to break even because I'm not playing. Because if we go back up there again, it's not a game. They can try that shit, but now there is no risk. And if we do go back up there, I will re-enter. And if we do touch 97, then we'll probably go to that 990. What was that 900 area? There's a key level at 905, so we broke below it, didn't we? Let me see. There should be some wicks there on a higher time frame. Yeah, okay, cool. Right there. 894, right there at 905. Yeah, so if we get to 905, I would short the heck out of it at 905. But
I see why.
I think we're
We're at 80, so
I
we
don't
might
know,
bounce here or we're gonna lose and we are going to 20s.
I don't know what you're looking at 905, but I see a fair value gap, bro. Right there at 905 exactly on a 15 minute. I don't trade fair value gaps, but I was on a 15 minute and you said 905. I saw that, and that's a perfect
yeah.
fair value gap there. For
I see what you're talking about. See, I don't like fair value gaps for the third candle as an engulfer. I like fair value gaps for the third candle as a consolidation candle. So I'm okay with that. I'm okay.
Okay, I scalped most of my contracts out here.
Yeah, I'm actually about to take profit. I'm not really looking for a lot. I just want to
Order
rebuild this
filled.
account so I can take more trades. So boom. I just added my account was at $18. Now it's at $48. I'm
Let's
happy
go.
about that. It's good enough for me for now. It's taking safe scalp entries now. If I will literally repeat the same exact trade. So if we get back up to 95, I will short this thing again right there.
But we are bouncing from the 80s. I wouldn't take shorts anymore, I think.
Yeah, that usually if we're bouncing through the 80s, that means that we're going to go up into the 900. So that 905 area is probably the best. We have confluence with the 15-minute 9 EMA. So we could easily short the 15-minute 9 EMA at 903. I like that. I like it a lot. First touch of the 15-minute 9 EMA? I think I will.
Okay, here we go, 80s again. Can we lose them now? I have still some runners. I just added a little bit. I'll be ready to take some profits, probably at the low at like 560s. But it would be wonderful if we have a flush down to 20s. That would be.
Oh man, that was good. That was good. I could have stayed in that. That was sweet.
Mm.
Let's see. It's a fun game. Be fun. Let me look at my chess game.
Wonderful range. I will add if it farts around, breaking further up. You have to look at the ascending trend line break to the downside from the 15 to the hour line. No.
Mm.
That's what Rondell says.
15 to the hourly. I'm looking for revenge. It's overwhelmingly bullish, not gonna lie. But I could see us dipping below the hourly VWAP and then before the candle closes, turn it into a wick to hit Randall's level. So yes, I see a lot of liquidity right down here. It's at 76.
Wonderful drop. Let's go.
It's good. It's good. It looks like the buyers could. Oh my goodness. What have I done? Done nothing. Okay, good. Whoa.
We held the trend line.
Meaning we are coming back down, huh?
Yeah. As soon as we lose that 63, 64, we're gonna go for the 50s. And we'll make a little stop again there, I think.
How much is the PA fee for that? Hmm. How much is a 5-pack of these? I'm just a window shopper.
Hmm.
$225. $225 for a 5-pack.
For 100K.
No, that's 50Ks.
Is it not 195?
No, 225 for a 5-pack of 50Ks.
On Apex.
Apex, yeah. Maybe it's cheaper for you because it's euros.
Bro, I have price in dollars.
USDs, yeah, I don't know. They just charging me more than, bro. It's
What?
crazy. 90% off of 2,500.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
I will go
90.
check it right now. Give me just a second.
Uh,
Mm,
love me some 100Ks. I miss my 150Ks. I ain't gonna lie. My code is pathway. Doop, doop, doop.
Let me go check that. Trade rate, 50K trade rate, end of day trail.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, this can be made reduced to 25. Bro, I took it yesterday for 195.
Well, they gave you a little bit more off.
No, but it was the whole week was 195. I guess they changed it.
Yeah, they must have changed it a little bit. They just upped it on me.
Hmm.
4th of July is over.
Yeah. So 195, yeah.
195, yeah. No, for me, it's 225. So now I'm looking at 100Ks. They're 345. And I know some good traders who just blew their fucking accounts yesterday. It's crazy. No activation fee. Wait a minute. What's a 5-pack of those going for? I hate trailing drawdowns. I really do. I remember when Apex didn't used to have these EOD accounts. They only had a static account, which static accounts are cool too. I wonder if they still have that. It's like static account basically means your drawdown stays the same no matter what. So you can make it's basically like the contest accounts. You know, you start the day off at 50K, your drawdown limit is 4,800, and then if you make 10,000, your drawdown's still 4,800 even after the same day and the next day and the next day. It's always the same. Max drawdown. Okay. No, they don't have any 5-packs on these. Just gotta buy them a la carte. So I guess they're not doing those legacy accounts anymore. If you got it, you got it, but that's it. And it's probably for the best. Cause I fucking hate those accounts. Excuse my French, everybody. If you don't speak French, then parlez-vous français.
Croissant, fromage bom. Oh, no, you went to China, bro.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Bro. I don't even have any ramen, bro. Hands up.
Tinder. Tinder.
Man, dude, Donovan speaking French, then you came up with like Croatian, and then I had to come up with some Chinese, I guess.
Well, I continued with French, but
Yeah,
okay.
we just went around the world.
Oh,
Yeah. We thought you were gonna come back with the French list, and we were gonna be the 3 French guys for a second, but you just had to go completely to another.
I'm sorry, guys. I don't know a damn word in French.
Yeah, you went straight to the dim sum. Okay, we're back in the 80s again. Now this time, can we see 95? Can we see 903? Can we see this 15-minute 9 EMA? And we just created the 3 candle structure, meaning that once we do pop up, we are coming back here, but you just got to wait to see where is it going first. No, we can go to the 15-minute 9 EMA, which is 29,902. We can go to the 15-minute 14 SMA, which is 29,912. There's confluence there. There's actually a few confluences there.
Forgot I was in a trade. Are you guys still in? Are you guys still in the trade or?
Ew. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for a pull up because, yeah, I don't know what price is doing right now, but it looks like it wants to go down. It's just I want it to better entry than this.
Yeah, me too. But I think we're gonna lose this support.
Yeah, me too.
Time now, so
it was great.
I just want to be ready for the next leg down.
If you got in with me around what was it, around 91? I was in at 91. You're doing pretty good now. You had to wait a little. This is
That's
the
a,
aging session.
Ooh.
There we go. What the heck?
whoa. Let's
I
go.
just shorted the bottom. Let's go. Continue, please. Thank you.
With 200 contracts, huh? Let's go.
Rum diddly, I'm just. Yeah, I'm gonna
All
take
right.
my time on that legacy account. I'm probably just gonna do like one mini, maybe some micros. I might trade micros on it.
It's funny. That where it wicked it to is we got 2 wicks right there on a 15-minute. But once we lose that one, oh, that's a 200 EMA too on the 5-minute that I told you guys. Perfect. Wow, that's crazy. Perfect touch of that. But we're gonna end up losing it.
All right, Price, what will you do next?
Oh, Randall is still holding his short. It pops to 891. I will add to my short averaging in, which is a no, but I do it all the time. Screw them. Okay.
It's time to charge my tablets. Yeah, I feel like I want to short the 9 EMA. Oh wow, the 9 EMA came down. It's only at 896 now, but I still like the 905 level. It was 903, but I would actually like 905 if you don't mind. Do you mind? Yeah. Yeah, look.
So what are we doing? Still holding here, huh? Still holding.
Not if it's gonna drop. It's when it's gonna drop.
Yeah.
we go. Come on.
Can
You
you
still in,
continue
Nick?
now? What?
Huh?
What?
You're
What?
still in?
No, I just
You're
went in.
short?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I haven't got out of mine since earlier. I actually doubled up. I'm at the top right now, and I'm in with 8 contracts right here. That's a lot for me, so there we go. I'm up 130 here.
I think if we lose this, I think straight down to the 20.
Mm-hmm. I want to move my stop loss in profit because should I not? Nope, I'm not gonna do it, man.
When you put your stop in the profit, that's fine, but I mean, I said that already. I like to do that after I take profit. I like, if you're shorting, I prefer taking profits at the bottom than putting the stop loss in the middle of the move. If that
Yeah.
makes sense.
I just think just not. I didn't do it because I think we're gonna end up losing this support, and it's gonna give us a nice leg down. Hope I'm not wrong. Because I am up right now. There we go. Okay. Come on. Straight through that.
And we are coming again like to an end of the hour, 20 more minutes. An hour ago, we got the move last 10 minutes or so, right?
Uh-huh. Oh, there we go. Let me go. I moved down to the 1 minute. That tells me a better story right here. Oh, never mind. That's nice support right there.
Yeah, it seems so. Damn.
I'm out, bro. I mean, I took my profits. I know it's gonna end up breaking, but I don't know when it's gonna do it. So
Yeah.
It's taking its good old time, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
Sure does.
yeah.
This
So
this
where
might have been
remember
just a
when?
fake out last liquidity sweep, and we might go down. I mean, it looks like liquidity sweep on 5 seconds at least. 1 minute probably is different.
I mean, it eventually is gonna. I'm pretty confident it is gonna end up losing that level, but it's getting everybody it can in this
Is it going
chop
to do a
lists right here.
liquidity sweep to the upside first?
We just, I mean,
You tell us, Donovan. Is it?
Ah, there's some foreshadowing happening.
look, on 5 seconds, it looked like it wants to break down, then a fake up to the upside, then it came down, and now we see if we break
So
down from here, that was perfect. If we start pushing again, then I don't know. Then we
I
might
can't.
chop still.
I look on a 5 second. All this. That's crazy. You have nice trends on a 5 second with all this.
Yeah.
There we goes. There we goes. Ooh.
Wow.
Nice.
Okay.
Straight
I'm
down
a
to the 20s. Let's go. Let's
I'm
go. Let's go.
40 contracts right here. Let's go. Come on.
I don't. Nah,
I'm
nah.
just.
Just 35. And see, 10 points up, 10 points down.
I'm getting
That's
kill me,
great.
bro. My order.
Uh,
You know what? I'm up 550 for the day, bro. I'm gonna call it good. I'm done for the day. I'm not gonna carry.
nice, good call, good call.
Quitting while you're ahead. It's a
Yeah,
skill of a tenured trader.
yep.
Yeah, man. I mean, gotta practice some type of discipline if I wanna first pass this eval and then second get that payout.
Yep, yep.
Wait, Donovan, did you get yours already?
Not yet.
Not yet, huh?
We're cooking. I had a funded account and it was doing okay. And then I fell asleep and I had a trade. I had a limit order with no stop loss.
Wow,
Then I
that's
woke up and I didn't have a funded account anymore.
Hmm.
dang.
Yep.
That's
So 2 funded accounts got blown this week.
crazy.
But there's more to come. I'm gonna
Oh
win
yeah,
more. I'm gonna lose more.
oh yeah.
More life.
Mm.
Just straight back up. What a crazy price action.
You guys remember I mentioned the 60s and then that 50s and then we can't go past by. We can't go past that point. Which I do think gonna we're gonna eventually go down, but
Yeah, everything looks like it. Let's see.
that's strong support right there. I guess that 5 minute 200 EMA is very strong too, because that's what it keeps rejecting. If you look at the 5 minute,
Interesting. Can we go finally now? Can we?
probably we just started a new candle 15 minutes, so
Let's go.
wouldn't
Oh
doubt
yeah,
it.
you are right.
We have no upper wick so far on this. Oh yeah, actually we do. Very very small little wick on a 15 minute.
Yeah.
This could be it, but it also could not be it.
What the Price still pushing up.
It's doing nothing. For some reason, I cannot close my trade. Why? Okay, now I can. Hmm. Lele.
Mm.
So turned off the chat here. I'm breaking the watch the touch of the trending line classic. Yeah. Oh, chop, 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 chop. Oh, here we go.
Big chop.
Finally. Come on.
Mm-hmm.
Choppity chop, chop, choppity chop.
Choppity chop, chop. Yeah. There we go.
Brett.
Skr, skr. uh,
This 5 minute candle closed again above that 200 EMA. So
nothing with that.
right back up. We're gonna.
But look at that 5 minute candle, like no upper wick, no lower wick.
Oh wow, that's true. That's crazy. Very tiny wick to the upside.
Yeah.
All right, guys. My wife is coming on FaceTime
Tiny
again, so
but mighty.
I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I won't be back.
Okay, broski.
Cool, man. Well, have a good night. Have a good day tomorrow.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. Have a good one. Keep cooking up.
Peace.
Peace.
Okay. I'm gonna wait a little bit more and we're calling it too, or what's your plan?
Right now, I'm still waiting for a price to jump up. If it doesn't jump up and it just breaks down, then, I got my Dow trade on the other side, but I trust a little bit more. Uh, the Dow. Oh, darn. No, the fuck I don't. Wrong account. So, yeah, I had Dow coming down to make sure. Yeah, okay. I have Dow coming down to 52,643. So we got a nice little, like almost 100 point drop in the Dow. And it's not letting me select. There we go.
What is this price action? Come on.
Micro Dow, I cannot do. I can do. Okay, cool.
All that just to get stopped out. I don't like that.
Yeah. Up, down, left, right. Well, mostly right.
Mostly right, yeah. Mostly right. Time for a breakdown. Let's go. Or it wants to have another 20 points to the upside now. What will it do?
What will it do? I think it's scared of those 80s. Like it doesn't want to go down, but it's afraid to go up.
Yeah. But that tells me that 20 should be next in everything that we experienced last couple of weeks, since we are watching that 80s and 20s. Mhm. Okay. I'm gonna close this here. Let's take
Yeah,
my
you
money. I
made
made 300. Finally, I was down 700 on this account. I'm up 370. And those are one funded account, one account funded, one 370 plus two daily stop limits.
good.
And I think I'm gonna call it. I mean, no more trading for now. But next push I will look for another short. Yeah, I'm not sure if we're gonna get the push, but because this is grinding, but it's coming down slowly. So I think our initial short would still print, right? That was, I guess, your call. Yeah, when we lost the trend line, look at the 5. We were short at 920, something like that.
Mhm.
So almost what, 850. That's 70 points. Okay, but 70 points is a nice move. So yeah, our original
Mhm.
short and our bias were right. Now we got caught in the chop a little bit, but altogether green. So not the end of the week.
Mhm.
Mm.
It's coming down.
No, it's coming down. Yeah, I decided that I had enough of this chop. Uh,
Nice. Mm.
Yeah, nice move down now. 40,
Here he
20 more,
goes.
20 more points. Well, okay.
Yeah. 20
Can't be
realistic.
mad. Can't be mad. We called it. Was not patient enough to wait for it. All good.
Yeah, I could have been in 30 minutes ago. I could have stayed in that short. It was a good entry.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. What is this bounce? Opportunity to go short or not really? Okay, this was a nice entry. But oh wow. Well, crazy, no, crazy price action. Too crazy for me. Too unpredictable chop.
Mm.
Would like to maybe okay. Leapage, yeah, of course. Okay.
Is it still okay? A pull up.
And there we go. Oh my God.
Oh wow.
Come on, 774. Yeah, with some
It's
more
coming.
shorts.
It's coming.
It's coming, but it's hell of a chop. Look at this. Back up 10 points. No, wow.
Damn.
Damn. Damn. really tried to head for the trend line, but now we have to establish that low level. Oh, yeah, but I wouldn't long period.
Yeah, it's going.
Yeah.
It's taking its time, but it's going. It's really taking its time.
Yeah. Taking a piece. But okay. We had some nice scalps. All over, like overall trade is still playing out basically. So plus
Yeah,
some nice scalps in between. Yeah. Perfect.
good stuff. We did it.
Yep. Yep. There we go. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna take my runners here. Did not do much, but another $50. Okay.
Yeah, if I had just stayed in one trade the whole night, it would have been
Yep.
pretty good.
Yep. We should dedicate one account for this kind of trade because but then also we cannot scalp. We can then you can scalp only in the same direction. You can not go long.
Yeah, that's true. Because counter positions.
Maybe you know what, two different prop firms. One for whatever we are doing, and the second one just to trade like that one trade in the session.
Very, very plausible. That's
Mm.
one kind of workaround. I guess
Yeah.
you can still do the counter positions if you're using different props, but
Yeah.
so I don't know why they even have that rule because what difference does it make?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
not sure I
crazy.
understand it very well. Maybe just like consistency thing. Quasi.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Why are you going short if you're going long there?
I guess, but yeah, if I can just buy an account on another, you're basically telling me just go do it somewhere else.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, all right, well, don't smoke cigarettes in my house, but you can go over to your friend's house and smoke cigarettes.
Exactly. You can go on the terrace and smoke whatever you want.
You know, exactly.
Mhm.
Oh man.
Okay, guys. I think it's time to call it a session.
Yup. We did our big one
Yeah.
and our small one, and we did all the things. And I'm loving it.
I'm not any. And Randall has a point, but long opportunities coming and we can make some money. Yeah, that's completely true. London opens in 47 minutes, so be careful.
Hey,
Um,
hey, you're not gonna believe this, but the Dow Jones is doing the opposite of Nasdaq right now, which is crazy.
mm, mm.
So Dow Jones is like pushing up to all-time highs right now.
And look, target hit. The low was 820. 820 0. To the
Oh,
T.
peak. This is peak.
Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice.
Have a great night. My day is starting. Yeah, same for me. You too, Randall. And everybody else in the chat, have a good one.
Guys,
Thanks
take
for
care, guys.
joining.
Thanks. Yep.
Make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe. Only still 49 subscribers. That's crazy.
Yeah,
It's
3 days
fun.
row with no new subscribers. Well, thank you for watching. If you watched, if you're interested in joining the Red E and trading options, learning to trade options, learning trading fundamentals, or trading with the community, we've got just the thing for you. Go down to the link in the description below and get started, and you will be able to join the Red E for just $90 a month. You'll get signals from 12 different analysts, all with their own style, maybe a little bit more. And we will also be there for you to talk to us as much as you want during
Yes, sir.
the regular day or just DM us or whatever. So, yep, there's that. And otherwise, thank you guys for tuning in. So, just remember the price of
Mm.
patience is always cheaper than the price of regret.
Yes, sir. Until the next week. Have a great weekend, everyone.